Memory plays a crucial role in our daily lives, but certain habits can gradually weaken it over time. Here are 6 common daily habits that can negatively impact memory and cognitive function. 1. Lack of quality sleep. Poor or insufficient sleep disrupts the brain's ability to consolidate memories. Deep sleep is essential for processing and storing information, so consistently getting less than 7 to 9 hours can lead to forgetfulness and cognitive decline. 2. Chronic stress and anxiety. Long-term stress increases the production of cortisol, a hormone that can damage the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. This can lead to difficulty concentrating and recalling information. 3. Excessive screen time and multitasking. Constantly switching between tasks and consuming digital content without focus overstimulates the brain, making it harder to retain information. Over-reliance on devices for remembering things can also weaken natural memory functions. 4. Unhealthy diet. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can contribute to brain fog and memory loss. Nutrient deficiencies, particularly in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins, can impair cognitive function over time. 5. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity reduces blood flow to the brain, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients. Regular exercise helps enhance memory by promoting the growth of new brain cells and improving neural connections. 6. Social isolation. Limited social interactions can negatively affect brain health. Engaging in meaningful conversations and social activities stimulates brain function and helps keep memory sharp. How to improve memory? Prioritize good sleep and manage stress. Maintain a brain-boosting diet rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and proteins. Stay physically active with regular workouts. Reduce screen time and engage in real-life problem-solving activities. Stay socially connected to keep your brain engaged. Would you like specific exercises or dietary tips to boost memory?